Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, halogen headlamps, rear window wiper, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.